2, 3. Hello everybody, we would like to introduce the winner of the booking spotlight for the month of August 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Marco Cucca.
Thank you, I'm still shaking. It's
How do you reach?
not easy to describe. I want to say a big thank you to everybody who voted for me. First of all to the committee, they really believed me in my skills, and they really wanted this win, you see. And I will try to not disappoint your attendance. Anyway, I will do great things during this month, and this win is for you guys. It's your winning, it's not only mine. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Marco Cuccali, 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 Cuccali. Ali.